So how do you temporarily mute someone on the iPhone? Let's get started. If you are new on this channel, go ahead and subscribe right now and you'll never miss anything important, right? So if you have the time period during which you want to mute some contacts, it is completely possible. All you have to do is just go to the settings app of your phone and then locate the focus section. So you can then pick a specific focus type, like you can choose work or I don't know, like personal or whatever. But once you get inside, you can choose which people are supposed to be silenced, right? So you can see we can silence notifications from, and you can literally just pick the people from your contacts. So yeah, you can choose whoever you want. And then you basically even have the ability to allow calls from silenced people or even leave it as it is. So again, up to you, but it just means that now when you go to the control center and turn on that personal focus mode, then those specific people will not really disturb your focus. Their calls or messages will still be delivered to you, but it will all be just quiet, right? And you get to see it later. For example, when they call you, you will see it in the phone app, like in the missed calls section, but it's not going to just ring on your phone. So after you're done, you can turn off that focus mode and everything just goes back to normal. And that's really cool because you can customize it to really on a very deep level, right? Like you can choose even which apps can deliver notifications and which are not allowed to do that. So it's very useful, but it just takes a bit of time to get it working properly. But yeah, that's it from me. Hit the thumbs up if this method was helpful for you. Subscribe for tutorials like this one, and I'll see you later.